𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐻 is the guarantee of success. That's why Intel, surrounded by difficulties, made its own CEO. Shares rose 11% overnight. Hello, friends. Intel, one of the largest chip manufacturing companies in the world, which once dominated the world of technology, is now going through difficult times. Intel shares have fallen sharply. The market value of the company has decreased and it is lagging behind in the competition. But recently, Intel has made such a decision which has created a stir in the market. Intel has appointed 𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐻 as its new CEO. After this decision, the shares of the company saw a sudden rise of 11%. This is not a trivial development. Behind this boom is 𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐻's name and reputation. Today, we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. Let us tell you that 𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐻's name is no less than a miracle in the tech industry. They are considered a guarantee of success. Even before this, he has brought many companies out of losses to the heights of success. Intel has also appointed him as its CEO with this confidence. Tan left Intel's board 6 months ago. After this, the company also made him its interim CEO twice. But this time, the entire command has been given in his hands. The market has taken this decision positively. The company's shares jumped 11% immediately after the announcement of Tan's name. This happened when Intel's stock price fell by 54% in the last year. 𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐻's success story has been spectacular. He was born in Malaysia but spent his childhood in Singapore. He obtained a degree in physics from Nanyang University. After this, he received a master's degree in nuclear engineering from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. For a student who has studied nuclear engineering, it was natural to pursue a PhD. But Tan's ambitions were somewhat different. He had to make his mark in the world of business. That's why he did his MBA from the University of San Francisco. Tan's career progressed rapidly in the world of business. After gaining experience in venture capital, he joined the board of Cadence in 2004. When Michael Pfister left the company in 2008, Tan was made interim CEO of the company. Tan took it not as a temporary responsibility, but as a permanent challenge. He completely changed the functioning of the company. Tan made major changes to Cadence's business model. Cadence was an electronic design automation EDA company that made software for semiconductor chip design. But Tan didn't let it remain just an EDA company. He transformed it into an intelligent system design company. When Tan took over Cadence, the company's market value was $10 billion. But under his leadership, this value increased to $30 billion. Tan focused on research and development R&D at Cadence. He invested in new technology and redesigned the company's products. As a result, Cadence became one of the most successful tech companies in the world. Tan's success earned him the nickname Tech Genius in the tech industry. After Cadence, Tan worked with several other tech companies. He also served on the boards of companies such as Annapurna Labs, Nuvia, Amec, HPE, Schneider Electric, and Samba Nova. He also founded the venture capital firm Walden International. After this, the firm merged with Catalyst Ventures. Tan also worked at SMIC, Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation, China's largest chip manufacturer. Now, Tan has a new challenge. Intel is currently going through a rough patch. There was a time when Intel was the world's largest chip maker. But now companies like Nvidia and AMD have left him behind. Intel's shares have fallen by 54% in the past year. Demand for Intel's products is decreasing. The foundry services of the company are also suffering losses. The cost of Intel's chips is increasing, while its prices remain stable. Due to this, the profits of the company are continuously declining. The biggest challenge facing TAN is to make Intel a global leader again. For this, they have to completely change Intel's business model. NVIDIA and AMD have invested heavily in artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is increasing the demand for their products. TAN also has to take Intel in the same direction. TAN has experience in creating such strategies. This is how he took Cadence to the heights of success. In addition, TAN created a new strategy for Intel. He has decided to increase Intel's R&D budget. TAN believes that Intel cannot return to the market without investment in new technology. Apart from this, TAN has also decided to strengthen the company's supply chain. TAN believes that the company cannot be profitable without solving the supply chain problem. For this, they have started negotiations with new partners at the global level. TAN has deep experience in business and technology. They know how to compete in the market. TAN believes that Intel will have to adopt an aggressive strategy in the areas of gaming, cloud computing, AI, and data center. For this, TAN has already made many changes in the board of the company. He has added new people to the company's leadership team. TAN believes that the company can be pushed forward with new thinking. The effect of TAN's strategy is also beginning to be seen. Intel shares rose 11% after the announcement of TAN's appointment as CEO. The market has taken TAN's decisions positively. TAN has said that he will make Intel a global leader again in the next 2 years. He said that Intel still has the technological edge. It just needs the right strategy and the right leadership. TAN told Intel employees to trust the company's vision. Whether TAN's strategy works or not, only time will tell. But it is certain that the arrival of TAN has given new energy to Intel. TAN has made the impossible possible before. If TAN resurrects Intel, it will be a major event in the history of the tech industry. All eyes are now on TAN's next move. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.